Hello everyone. Crack 3 eggs into the shredded cucumber. I never expected it to taste this good. This is the first time I've seen this method. It's nutritious and delicious, especially suitable for the elderly and children. Prepare 2 cucumbers, wash them thoroughly, slice them into thick thin slices, and then cut them into thick shreds. If you're not good with a knife, you can also use a grater to shred them. Once cut, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare an appropriate amount of carrot and slice it. Then cut it into shreds. After cutting, put it in a bowl, add a little salt, mix well with chopsticks, and let it marinate for 5 minutes. Prepare a sausage, slice it, cut it into strips, and then dice it. Once cut, place it on a plate and set aside. Prepare a green pepper, cut it into shreds, and then dice it. Chop a few scallions into small pieces. Add the diced sausage, green pepper, and chopped scallions into a bowl, then add the marinated carrot shreds, and finally add the cucumber. Prepare 3 eggs and crack in the bowl the cucumber shreds. Mix everything well with chopsticks so that all the ingredients are evenly coated with the egg mixture. This way, the ingredients won't release more water. This bowl is too small, let's switch to a bigger one. Now let's season it. Add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little bit of 13 spice powder, a pinch of spicy umami seasoning, a suitable amount of light soy sauce, and a bit of oyster sauce. Then mix everything thoroughly with chopsticks. After mixing, add a spoonful of cornmeal and then 2 spoonfuls of regular flour. Mix again with chopsticks until everything is well combined. The ratio of these 2 flours is 1 to 2. If you like whole grains, you can add a bit more cornmeal. Finally, stir until it becomes a thick, sticky batter like this. Prepare an electric griddle, add a little oil, and use a brush to spread it evenly. At this point, don't turn on the heat yet. Pour all the batter in, then smooth it out so it's as evenly thick as possible. Once it's spread out, cover it with the lid, then turn on both the top and bottom heat to cook it for about 4 minutes. When the time's up, open the lid. Wow, it smells amazing, the color is golden, and it looks so appetizing. Next, use a plate to help flip it over. Now, brush a layer of ketchup on the surface of the cucumber pancake. This gives it a sweet and tangy flavor that kids especially love. If you don't like ketchup, you can use any other sauce you prefer. After brushing all the sauce, sprinkle a layer of toasted white sesame seeds on top, then cover it again and cook for about 3 more minutes. Alright, open the lid and you'll be greeted by the rich aroma of cucumber and sesame. Press it with a spatula. If it springs back quickly, that means it's fully cooked. Take it out and place it on a cutting board, then cut it into your preferred shapes. And there you have it, a delicious cucumber and egg pancake is ready. The color looks bright red and appetizing, whetting your appetite. The flavor is fresh and the texture is soft, perfect for breakfast. Made with eggs, vegetables, and cornmeal, it's nutritious and healthy. There's also sesame and ketchup on top, and taking a bite is just incredibly tasty. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.